how to create flowchart diagram in Figma. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your web browser and go to Figma. Make sure to log into your account. Now here, go to this apps like section and click on it. Inside this, click on plugins and widgets tab, and now you have to search for flowchart plugin. Once you find it, just tap on it and you will see it will display on your Figma design. Now, simply any design in which you want to create flowchart and drag this onto your presentation. Now, place this wherever you want. Now, click on this arrow button and it will show you the design for your flowchart. Simply select any one of them and repeat the process until you get your desired flowchart. Once done, you can then assign name to each section, and there you go. Now you know how to create flowchart on Figma. So that's basically how you can create flowchart diagram in Figma. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.